Chevy. It's awful fancy just for a bathroom. Good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
What can I get for you? Have you been here before?
Yep.
Let us know whenever you're ready.
A snowball. Maple bacon. And a Buckeye.
And a Buckeye. Is that all for you today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that'll be $5.55.
Well, it's a Ford truck. We got to take a look at this. The old cars as far as the eye can see. your car? Perfect. Me and my wife have a YouTube channel, and every time one of us goes to a show, we do a little walk around the car that we choose as something that catches our eye. I love the side pipes. I have a 64 F100 with the same side pipes.
Gotcha.
Could you tell us anything about your car?
It was my dad's first car when he was 16 back in 1980, and he ended up selling it because I don't think he had a place to store it for the winter. And 17 years later, a friend of his knew a guy that was moving out of state, and he had 2 cars and a whole bunch of car parts in a barn, and it ended up being his car. Checked the VIN number, so he bought it off his friend, and he's been slowly rebuilding it for the past 12 years up to this.
Now, is this sort of back how he wanted it in high school?
Yeah, he went with the rat rod style. He had another AMX back in like the late 80s, I think, or something, with like the same sort of like paint style, and it was black, and that was like his favorite. It was like the 70s, 60s paint style. That's what he likes.
It's beautiful.
Baby.
Thank you.